Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, but something truly important that can help you get sales, and that's mini email campaigns. I'm going to be using my plugin today, AutoWP Dynamic Shopping. To get to the campaigns, you go over here to the left, Woo AutoWP, and you'll see a whole bunch of tabs and email templates. The AutoWP plugin comes with 3 default templates for the 2 automated campaigns we can run right now: abandoned carts and wish list. So if you want to create a new one, you can create a new one, but we're just going to edit one that's existing to give you a good idea how it's done. To get started, you're going to want to include a name. This will be showing in the front, so you can identify what it's for right there. Go back to editing. And the subject email, this is what the person will see in the initial email in their inbox. And here you'll pick what features you want it to send the email for. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to see next, please comment down below. And the next one is to activate or deactivate it. The next thing is the body of the email. In the body of the email, there's these smart tags, which will grab on abandoned carts, or if it's a user for a wish list, it can grab their name. And then you can put text in here if you like. You can put links into text using these fields here. And you also have other tags such as admin's first name, admin company, and the unsubscribe link. All of those tags are in here for you to add. The next thing you have is you can use the Woocommerce styling. So your email will look exactly how Woocommerce sends the other emails to kind of give it some continuity. If you want to create coupon codes, you can do percentages, fixed discount, amounts, expirations, everything from there. You can enable free shipping, individual use, and auto apply. And send this email, you can choose however many days, hours, and minutes after they get it. And then you can always send a test email to see what it looks like. And again, if you have any ideas of what kind of automated campaigns or mini campaigns you'd like to have, I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you next one. Bye.